Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, September 11th, 2024. We are looking at the daily timeframe chart of Ether quoted to Tether at Zondacrypto. What do we see on this chart? Well, the first thing that we easily can see is the big deterioration of the Ethereum towards the recent levels, roughly around 2,166 tethers. So those are the levels last seen in the very beginning of the 2024. This situation here sparks a lot of concern among the Ethereum bulls, because if we pay attention to the recent movement to the downside, we can see that since the highs of 4,085 tethers towards the lows, the recent lows, the deterioration is over 47%. So it's almost a half of its value within 1 year only, and we are narrowing this downside movement towards the new yearly lows. Where is the technical support that could help the bulls to prevent this movement to the downside? Well, one of the technical support is 2,139. This is the level that has been established in the 2023, in the July 2023, and since then has been tested once and then second time, and then, as you can see, was broken and was established as a very strong technical support. Just recently we almost hit this level. So that zone here between 2,139 and 2,171 is of course the key technical support and the demand zone, for the bulls, so where all of the focus should be basically paid to this zone. So we know that this is a very important zone. What is going on with the price then? The recent developments, if we take a look at the take a look closer at the current situation on the Ethereum, for example, like this, we got yesterday's candle that topped at 2,519 but closed at 2,389, leaving very long upper shadow. This doesn't look good for the bulls, because it looks like the bearish pressure after 4 days of increase now is getting stronger, and any opportunity for bears that they might have to crush the price lower when it hits 2,500 or above is generally being used for the from this market side. So every time we got the movement to the upside in the short term, we can see some sort of the reaction from the bears, putting a lid on the market rally. Very big upper shadow. Today we got the first clue of the first indication of the possible confirmation of the bearish reversal back down towards this zone, 2,139, 2,171. If we apply the trend line from the top, roughly around here, from the top, of course, located here at 3,966, we can easily see that this top has been blown off many times, and now it's completely far away from the trend line, right? So the bulls will need to break above this level here, this local high, and the technical resistance 2,811, and then above the trend line, in order to continue to move higher, to move above the trend line, back above the 3,500 levels. For now, nothing like this is happening. If we apply the last indicator on our chart, the RSI indicator with the standard settings, we can see that the 50 points level line is still very interesting line for the bulls. They cannot break above it. They don't have enough momentum to break out from this negative sentiment zone towards the positive sentiment zone with the positive momentum. And this recent bounce from the level of 31 points towards 43 points has just possibly been capped, and the market is ready to reverse and move lower again. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.